In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Visa gift card on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a Visa gift card on Roblox to purchase Robux is possible. However, there are some limitations. I'm gonna showcase the proper method and the way to do this, but I want to highlight that some specific Visa gift cards might not be accepted. And of course, your Visa gift card needs to be active and needs to have enough balance. So for example, if you have $15 on the gift card, you are only going to be able to purchase up to $15 worth of Robux. So to purchase them, go over to the Roblox website on a web browser at roblox.com, sign into the account where you want to receive the Robux, and now click on the Robux icon and choose Buy Robux. You will be redirected to this page and you can choose one of the Robux packages or the Roblox Premium subscription. Choose whichever one you prefer, and on the list of payment types or payment methods, all that you have to do is choose to pay using a debit card. Like I said in the beginning of the video, most Visa gift cards will be treated as standard debit cards, so you don't have any additional or special workarounds that you must do to use your card. As long as you select your country or region here and you input the details about the Visa gift card that you have, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code, you will be good to go. Under the email, you can include your own email, or maybe if there's an adult and you prefer to use his email, just go ahead and input it here. On the cardholder's name, it's the same thing. You can include your own name or someone else's, and on the zip code, it's your own home address. If your card is accepted, as soon as you click pay, you are going to receive the Robux. However, if it gives you an error message or tells you that the gift card does not go through, it's invalid, or it isn't accepted, then unfortunately there's no workaround to this. Most Visa gift cards will work flawlessly and they will act as standard debit cards, but if they don't work, then unfortunately there's nothing that you can do, because the specific Visa gift card that was given to you or issued by a specific bank isn't accepted by their service here. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Visa gift card on Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.